Teko Modise is reportedly facing 1.2 million rand demand from his estranged wife Koketso Modise as part of their divorce settlement, according to City Press. The couple, married since 2021 after a traditional ceremony in 2018, have been living apart for over a year, prompting speculation of their separation when they ceased sharing each other's posts on social media. Koketso, a social media influencer known as Koketso, is reportedly seeking substantial sums to settle financial matters, including an overdraft, as they negotiate an amicable split. Modise, now a football commentator and fashion entrepreneur, previously faced financial strain, including a 2019 report of defaulting on a 2.7 million home loan, nearly losing his four-ways property. His net worth, estimated between 14.2 million and 20 million, stems from a career earning 450,000 rand monthly at its peak, but past maintenance disputes with his first wife, Teko Modise, highlight recurring financial challenges. As Modise navigates this costly separation, his focus remains on broadcasting and a new clothing venture with African Fashion International. But the financial and emotional toll of this divorce looms large. Anyway, you guys, do comment below and let me know what you guys think about this. By the way, guys, I think we are the only ones who are poor. Imagine someone earning 450,000 rand a month. Monthly. Yo, Sana, people have money out there. But anyway, guys, I will see you on the next one.